I will start with this screw. Now there are, I believe, 3 of them underneath, which we have to remove as well. We are using 10mm socket. Now this piece comes off. You can see now we have this opening already. Now our goal is to remove this part. Now I will remove this one. All of them are 10mm. This one is small. And one more right here. We have one plug right here that we have to remove. We need to use a screwdriver and pull it off. We have one more over here. Same idea. And I'll take off this one right here. Pull it out. This piece comes off like this. And now we should be able to access our fog light, which is located right here. Right here we have the connector, which we will disconnect. On this side, on the left, I'll try to show you guys, this is the screw that needs to be removed, right here. There is one more on the other side. We can either try to access it from here using the screwdriver, or we can also try to access it from the top. Also here we have the adjustment bolt for the fog light, for the OEM one. Right now we will disconnect the original connector. Right now we'll unscrew the left bolt. And right here, I'm actually filming from the top. This is the right screw, which we also accessed from the bottom. Right now we will remove the fog light. Here it is. This is how it looks. This is how the bracket looks like. We have 4 ends